Welcome friends. In this video we shall learn the topic how to factorize an algebraic expression when a common monomial factor exists in each term. And we shall learn this topic by an example, and this example has four parts. Let us see how to factorize these algebraic expressions. Let us solve the first part of the example, and that is 4x plus 16. What do you observe in this algebraic expression? Can we write the term 4x like this, 4 into x, and here is the sign of plus, and can we write this 16 like this, 4 into 4? So we observe that this literal 4 exists in each of these two terms. So we shall take this 4 common from these two terms like this, and here x remains and here plus 4 remains. So we shall write x plus 4 in this bracket. So this is the factorization form of this algebraic expression 4x plus 16. Now we shall move to the second part of the example, and the second part of the example is 3x cube y square minus 6x square y cube. What do you observe in this algebraic expression? Can we write this algebraic expression like this, 3x square y square into x, and this term like this, 3 into x square y square into what remains here, 2y. So this 3x square y square, 3x square y square is common in these two terms of this algebraic expression. So we shall take common 3x square y square from both the terms of the algebraic expression. So in bracket it remains x here, and here minus, and here 2y. So we shall write x minus 2y in the bracket. So this is 3x square y square into x minus 2y is a factorized form of this algebraic expression. Now we shall move to the third part of the example, and the third part is 20x cube minus 40x raised to 4, and here is 80x raised to 5. Now we shall move to the third part of the example, and the third part is 20x cube minus 40x raised to 4 plus 80x raised to 5. Can we write this term of this algebraic expression like this, 20x cube into 1, and this term of this algebraic expression like this, 20x cube into 2x, and this term 20x cube into 4x square. Definitely we can. So this 20x cube is common in all these three terms of this algebraic expression. So we shall take common this 20x cube from all these three terms, and here we remains 1, here we remains minus 2x, and here we remains plus 4x square. So this is the factorized form of this algebraic expression. Now we shall move to the fourth part of this example. This is the fourth part of the example, and we see that x is a common variable in all these three terms, y is also common variable in all these three terms, and z is also common variable of all these three terms. So but here the power of x is 2, and here is 1, and here is 1. So we if we find HCF of these three terms, we take a smaller power, so we take common x, y and z. So here we remains x, and here we remains plus y, and here we remains z. So this is the factorization of this algebraic expression. So this is all about the topic how to factorize an algebraic expression when a common monomial exists in each term of the given algebraic expression. Thank you.